Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming network and model details so the update goes smoothly. Connect the TV to Wi-Fi or Ethernet and test a video stream to verify stability. Next, open Settings and locate About to note the exact model and current Android build. This prevents wrong package installs. Once done, plug the TV into an uninterrupted power source to prevent bricking. Make sure the remote has fresh batteries so you can follow prompts without interruption. You now fetch and apply the update through the System menu. Navigate to Settings, Device Preferences, then About, and select System Software Update to check for available releases. If an update appears, choose Auto Download for convenience or Manual if you prefer control. Downloads typically take 10 to 30 minutes depending on size and connection. Once the download completes, confirm installation. The TV will reboot automatically. Make sure not to power off. You finish by validating the update and addressing common issues. After reboot, return to About to confirm the new build and test key apps and HDMI inputs to ensure everything works. If apps misbehave, clear their cache or reinstall them. Reserve a factory reset for persistent faults and backup settings first. If the update failed or the TV is unresponsive, power cycle by unplugging for 60 seconds, reconnect, and retry the update process. This often clears temporary boot or download errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.